boys and girls, today our math lesson is going to be roll and show one less. All right, I just rolled my die. I got, let's count them, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots, so I'm going to get out 5 circles. All right, so now I have my 5 dots. At home, if you can show me 5 fingers, now we're going to take one away. So now I can say 5 take away 1 is 4. And you can show me on your hand. Show me 5 fingers, take away 1, put 1 down, and now we have 4. All right, let's try that again. All right, boys and girls, I just rolled my dice again. I have a 4, and I got out my 4 dots or my 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm starting with 4. I'm going to take away 1. And now I have 1, 2, 3. So show me 4 fingers at home. Take away 1, put 1 down. And now we have 3. So our number sentence is 4, take away 1 is 3. All right, I rolled a 6. I have my 6 dots. And let's take 1 away. Very good. All right, now you need to use both hands. Show me 6 fingers. Take 1 away. And now we have 5. So our math sentence is 6 take away 1 is 5. Awesome job. Let's do one more. All right, the last one I rolled is a 2. I have 2 dots. I'm going to take away 1, and now I have 1 left. So show me 2 fingers, take away 1, and we have 1 left. So my sentence is 2 take away 1 is 1. Awesome job, boys and girls. Thanks for popping in, and I'll see you soon.